Here, I found the yellow clip. So that's one of the yellow clips from the radio. Might be another one back here somewhere that fell when he was, or when I was removing the radio. I was trying to blame the last guy, but it might have been me. But grab that and then we'll see if there's any other ones. I don't remember if we need all the yellow clips for the head unit, but we'll find out. So I'm going to try to kind of bundle all these wires together so that it's a lot cleaner. I saw someone else had done that on the forum, and I really liked that it was kind of all tidied up here, because there's a lot of room in the back, but I don't want a bunch of wires kind of hanging around there. Before doing that though, I want to make sure that I have all my connections tight, but I kind of just naturally separated some of these out so that I can kind of bundle them together in about 2-3 different branches so that it's a little bit more neat. So I'm pretty sure, so this is the USB connector in the back, and there's a longer one and then there's a shorter one. Pretty sure the shorter one's going to be like USB 1, which is going to have the conversion cable where you plug that in and then you hook that up to the harness on the Tundra. And then this one is longer, and it also the kit came with an extension, so I don't think I'm gonna need that. So I'm gonna route that back behind the glove compartment and then have it go to the through the cabin filter cover door, and then I'll just leave it hanging in there if I ever want to hook up a hard drive or something on there.